In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the WordPress Redis error step by step. If you're seeing connection refused errors, Redis not connected messages, or your site suddenly went down after enabling Redis object cache, don't worry. I'll walk you through the most common causes and how to fix them quickly. Make sure to watch until the end, especially if you're locked out of your dashboard. And if this video helps you, be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress troubleshooting tutorials. Let's start with the first and most important step, verifying that your Redis server is actually running. Many Redis errors happen simply because the Redis service has stopped. Log into your server using SSH or access your hosting control panel. Check the status of Redis and confirm that the service is active. If it's stopped, restart it and then refresh your WordPress site. In many cases, this alone resolves the issue. If Redis is running properly and you're still seeing errors, move on to the next step. Next, we need to check your WordPress configuration file. Go to your WordPress root directory and open the wp-config.php file. Scroll down and make sure the Redis configuration lines are placed above the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy publishing." Now verify your host and port settings. In most setups, the host should be 127.0.0.1 and the port should be 6379, which is the default Redis port. If your server uses a different IP address or custom port, make sure those values match your Redis server configuration exactly. If your Redis server requires authentication, you must also define the Redis password inside wp-config.php. Add the line defining the Redis password and replace it with your actual password. Without the correct password, WordPress won't be able to connect and will trigger an error. Some hosting environments use Unix sockets instead of a TCP port. If that applies to your setup, you'll need to define the Redis scheme as Unix, provide the correct socket file path, and set the port to null. The socket path must exactly match the path configured on your server. Even a small typo can prevent the connection. For high-traffic websites or servers under heavy load, connection timeouts can also cause Redis errors. In that case, increase the Redis timeout and read timeout values in your wp-config.php file. Setting them to 2 seconds or slightly higher can help stabilize the connection and prevent random disconnects. After verifying your configuration, the next step is to check the Redis object cache plugin itself. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins and Installed Plugins. Locate the Redis object cache plugin and temporarily deactivate it. Once deactivated, refresh your website and see if the error disappears. If the site loads normally, the issue may be related to a corrupted plugin installation or incompatible update. In that case, delete the plugin completely and reinstall it from the WordPress plugin repository. Then reconnect Redis properly. Now, if you're completely locked out of your WordPress dashboard and cannot access the plugins page, don't panic. There's still a fix. Use FTP or your hosting file manager to access your website files directly. Navigate to the WP content directory and look for a file named object-cache.php. This file is responsible for enabling Redis caching. Delete the object-cache.php file. As soon as you remove it, Redis caching will be disabled and your site should regain normal functionality. After that, you can log back into your dashboard and reconfigure Redis correctly. By following these steps, verifying the Redis server status, checking wp-config.php settings, disabling or reinstalling the plugin, and manually removing the object-cache.php file if necessary, you can resolve almost every common WordPress Redis error. If this video helped you fix your WordPress Redis issue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress optimization and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.